Demand was really tough. So we slipped about 6% from the beginning of the year, against what we thought. The nice thing is in the second quarter, demand stabilized on the domestic side. In the last month or so, we have seen the beginning of an inflection back. Again, it's just the macro uncertainty, I think, that drove that. But again, the good signs is we're seeing positivity now.
What happened with basic economy when you rolled that out? You even mentioned it in your earnings release, that you saw a slip in terms of bookings and revenue.
Yeah, it was really the mechanics of this new product. So it has new restrictions, and the literal booking flow, you have a checkbox that you have to click. So it was really the friction in the process. So our folks went to work, and they attacked the digital flows, and that was all cleaned up in 2 weeks, and that impact was gone very quickly.
Given the weakness we're seeing in the broader macro economy, and even though you're seeing stabilization now, do you need to cut even more capacity in the second half?
We've been the leader in managing capacity here. We've taken another 1.5 points out of the back half of the year. This year will only grow about 1 point. But really the issue is getting the demand back. And we are beginning to see the demand strength come back to domestic and volume. And so I'm optimistic that we're seeing a return to travel here in the United States.